murakoze cyane. Nitwa Pastor Claude ariko magariye Ikaze TV y'u Rwanda. Ndabaza Dr. Singa, hari itangazamakuru yigeze akorana ikiganiro muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika avuga ku bijyanye n'abashumba, abakozi b'Imana badakunda igihugu cyabo ndetse ngo banabivuge n'abantu babimenye. Dr. Bishop Musinga waravuze ngo amagambo nakotinze, waravuze ngo umuntu naza uwaje adakunda Perezida Paul Kagame na FPR ndetse ntakunde M23 AFC na twirwaneho, polisi yora hafi ikamutwara. N'iki cyakomaze ubwoba abashumba bamwe na bamwe batinya gukora politiki, kandi wowe Dr. Bishop n'iki cyakomaze ubwoba guhagarara mu mwanya nk'uwo ugashuka ubwoba twirwaneho AFC ugahagarara no ndagendo usubize kandi n'abashumba bari hano umvireho gukunda igihugu ndetse no kukivugira bagashana akazi cyane.
Interpreting the question of Pastor to interpret the question of Pastor Claude from Ikaze TV. He just asked Dr. Musinga one of the press conferences he had in the US when he was talking about pastors who don't love their nation. So he said, I personally, he was quoting him in his press conference by then. He said, I personally, if you don't love Paul Kagame and also the ruling party FPR, and also if you don't love M23, then the police should be beside you immediately to put you in jail. So what gave you the energy? What gave you the zeal to come out and speak about politics? Yet we don't see so many pastors coming out to speak about politics. Thank you. Let me answer your question in these few words. What took away my fear is that I understood there is something they taught us. There's things we call sin, yet they are not at all. Serving your nation is not a crime. But instead, you should be questioned, why are you not serving your nation? There is nowhere in the Bible you will find God using people who are doing nothing, who are idle. Once you go to other nations, you'll find the pastors also serving the government. But once we come to our nations, they tell us serving the government is a crime or a sin. That's why we have so many poor pastors, because they don't know how to do business. They can't even work in the government. Me, in my belief, in my also philosophy, it allows me to speak out my mind and also serve the government. If they would give me a job, if I had an opportunity to be given a job in the government, I'll do it with all my energy. Once you go in the UK, there is a team of pastors who are the advisors to the Prime Minister. And once you go to the US, starting from the police and to the White House, they have the pastors who are called the chaplains. And also we have pastors who are senators. So there are pastors who will go to politics. And your believers, you're electing you. You become a pastor as well as serving in the government, in the parliament. Anyone who has given you this ideology, they have lied to you. Serve your nation and also serve the Lord God Almighty. Let nobody ever read to you the Bible and tell you serving your nation or government is wrong. I do not agree with such people.
abirabura bo muri Amerika
The black Americans
umuntu ukomeye ubunyine
and those people who are great,
umuntu ukomeye ubunyine
the great person there
ni Reverend Pastor Raphael
is called the Reverend Pastor Raphael,
n'umusenateri
and he's a senator.
kubera ko umusinga w'abato senateri
And so why can't I be a senator as well?
rero mugende gushira ubwoba ntihagira abantu babakanga babuze gukorera igihugu cyane ube umusirikare ube pasiteri ube polisi ube pasiteri ube senateri cyangwa umudepite gukorera Imana ntibikubuza gukorera igihugu cyawe ahubwo imyumvire icyo bita primitive thinking imitekerereze yo hasi niyo itubuza kutumva no kutumvikana n'abanyapolitike ahubwo twahagombye kwinjira muri politiki kugira ngo dufashe abayobozi bacu.
So in my conclusion, let me say that I discourage this primitive thinking that denies you to be a pastor and as well as serve your nation. In fact, we should be the ones to stand up and advise our leaders and also help them in serving this nation and developing it. Thank you. The black Americans, the pastors are the ones who gave them independence. And now your pastors are the ones leading you to many problems. They are the ones who teach you how to fight to get money. And teach you how to do business. And also tell you exercise about education. And then specialization to go in politics and also be performers there. Thank you so much for giving us this moment. Based on how my colleague is dressing, he's the one to start. According to the one that gave the microphone first, he's the one to first speak. Allow me, let us give thanks to the Lord so much. I say, let's give thanks to God. But specifically for this moment, let us appreciate Dr. Emmanuel Musinga. We thank you so much, Pastor.
waratwite indirakura igise cyambere cya kabiri niba habacumira ngahise nibuka neza urabyara none umwana turamufite mu maboko.
You conceived, you became pregnant, you went in labor pain, they don't know the number of them, but now the child is born and we have a child with us here. We thank you. And also we thank each and everyone. Among the many burdens that I have that I'm praying for in interceding, I am praying that believers should have the culture and learn the culture of supporting each other. I already tell these groups, some go abroad to go and work for money, to go and look for funds, to come and support other terrorists, to do evil, to come and do wrong. And it gives me or upsets me, it gives me a hard time to see believers in time of supporting each other, people are making weaker steps towards it. I was touched by so many things in this book.
Ni urufatiro rugeza abantu ku bintu bikomeye mu buzima.
I was touched by so many things, but then on chapter 7, there is a statement that says that a small step is a foundation of thing, that's something that is going to make you achieve greater things.
Mu yandi magambo urugendo rugera kure rutangirwa n'intambwe nto.
In other words, a journey that is going to take you far, it will start with little steps.
Kuri page ya 17 hari ahantu havuga ngo ibyo udafite ntabwo bikwiye kuba impamvu yo kutagerageza gukora icyo ugomba gukora, kuko mu ijuru hari Imana igitanga ubushobozi abantu bakeneye ariko igihuhereza abantu bafite ubushake.
Then on page 17, it says that what you don't have should not deny you to do something you want to do, because in heaven we have a God who will always be the provider of the people who have the will to do something.
Kuri page ya 32 hari ahantu yavuze ngo ubujiji n'umwanzi utuje, n'umwanzi ucecetse urimbura abantu mu buryo butuje.
And in chapter 32 he said, ignorance is this quiet enemy that is killing many people.
Kuri page ya 65 hari ahantu yavuze ndetse n'ikintu bakomeje kugarukaho ngira ngo ni Amon wabajije ati ni mudusobanurira uburyo ki umuntu ashobora kwigira ku nsinzwi z'abatsinzwe. Mu by'ukuri ntabwo gutsindwa ari vocabulaire y'abantu bafite iyo bagana, gutsindwa ari vocabulaire y'abantu batagira gahunda yo kugera ku nzozi zabo, ariko insinzwi z'abantu bafite iyo bagana ni umwanya mwiza w'amasomo yimbitse.
I'll come back to page 60, whereby one of the people asked, I think it's Ammon, he said that why should we learn from the people who have failed? Let me say this, that failure is not a vocabulary of people who want to achieve something, but then failure can also be used for something for people who want to achieve higher and greater things.
No mu magambo yavuze reka rero sorezaho akora introduction ya PowerPoint yavuze ngo leadership, a good leader is the one who help others to start.
And as I conclude, let me start from his introduction. He said, a good leader is the one who wants to help others achieve.
And I remembered one sentence I read in the book of Miles Monroe.
Hanyuma nza kwibuka interuro nasomye mu gitabo kimwe cya Miles Monroe.
He said, leadership is not all about power, it's all about empowerment.
Yaravuze ngo ntabwo ubuyobozi bujyanye ntabwo ubuyobozi ari imbaraga cyangwa se gukoresha igitugu, ahubwo ubuyobozi ni ukubaka abandi ukabashyiramo imbaraga.
Someone else called Maxwell wrote a book.
Undi mwanditsi witwa Maxwell yaravuze ngo
leadership as adding value to others.
Ngo ubuyobozi ni ukugira ngo wongere agaciro k'ubumenyi mu bandi bantu.
Yavuze n'irindi jambo.
He also said another word.
Yavuze ngo abaswa n'abantu bazabirwa biruka inyuma y'amafaranga.
He said the foolish are the people who always run after money. But may God also help us for money to be found, because I don't know where its whereabouts. But the wise are the people who will make sure that money is going to run after them.
Napoleon Hill.
And
money is attracted through mindset, belief, and purpose.
And I remember the book I read about Napoleon Hill. He was saying, amafaranga ajyana n'imitekerereze ya muntu. Why am I speaking all these words? I would like to talk about the treasure in this book. He took his time, night and day, thinking about the treasure that we need to know about in life. I was asking the moderator when I entered here.
makumyabiri.
And he told me that this book costs only 20,000 francs.
Ubuze ndisanzwe nemera umukozi w'Imana Dr. Musinga.
Yes, I always approve of Dr. Musinga.
Mu bintu hafi ya byose.
Among all the things.
Ariko akakantu ubutunzi kubushyira ku bihumbi makumyabiri numvise ndemezanyije nawe.
This treasure that we have here only to cost 20,000, I don't approve it.
Nk'abakristo, nk'abapapa n'abamama mwaje kumutera iteka nimuha agaciro amajoro yaraye.
We as believers, mothers, fathers, let's value the nights and the days he has spent writing this.
Nihereyeho,
starting from me,
mfite amadolari 200 hano ndi muri iki gitabo.
I have 200 USD that I am going to buy this book.
Ndasaba ko protocole baza bakayafata.
Let the ushers come and collect it.
Kubera ko agira intege nke y'umuntu yagumanye hari ibihe.
Because sometimes there are weaknesses that will develop the more you keep it.
Murakoze kuyangiza.
Thank you so much for taking it.
Dushigikire umukozi w'Imana.
Supporting the servant of God.
Mukomeze muganire n'umwuka wera pana umutima w'ibitekerezo.
Don't speak to your carnal mind.
Umwuka wera basobanurire agaciro n'uburemere bw'amajoro umukozi w'Imana yaraye.
But may the Holy Spirit also share with you the burden the servant of the Lord has gone through days and nights.
I would like
us to applaud Apostle Christophe. My name's Gasana James. For the first time, because I love Dr. Musinga so much, I love him for these two reasons. He's one of the people who acknowledges what this nation of Rwanda did to him and also RPF. When we met last time, there is a seed I planted in him. Because Dr. Musinga is not one of the people who became a coward. Here, when we are entering this, we see a signpost indicating where this hotel is. But I'm telling you, this signpost has never stepped in this conference room. Apart from even authoring this book, Dr. Musinga is this book himself.
Niwe muntu wemeye guhangana no gusubiza igihugu cyacu ibyiza cyamukoreye abivuga ku isi yose ku buryo uyu munsi byaregaje imitima y'abantu.
He is the only person who arose to speak about the good things the nation has done to him, and now he's becoming a book to many.
I personally, I love you.
Ku giti cyanjye ndagukunda.
Thank you for giving back to your country.
Warakoze kugira ngo uze wongere ugarure igihugu byaguhaye.
Thank you for loving Paul Kagame and the key leader for Africa who is bringing back Rwanda to where it wanted to be.
Warakoze gukunda umuyobozi wacu w'igihugu Paul Kagame kandi urimo kuzamura Afrika.
So my sister, thank you for supporting him and come all the way from US to this place with him just to see his country and stand beside him.
Bashiki bacu mwarakoze guhagurukana nawe mukamuherekeza mukaza kureba igihugu cyacu cy'u Rwanda avukamo.
And without doubt,
kandi nta gushidikanya,
he has wrote a book. This book, when you see the title, Never Give Up.
Iyo ubonye umutwe w'ikino gitabo uvuga ngo ntugacike intege.
Even if you just drive on this and you don't stop doing anything and say I will never give up.
Niyo utakora ibindi byose ariko ngo ntabwo nzigera ncika intege.
Even if you don't go to the cover, just go with the title and keep on it. This can take you further than you can even imagine.
Yewe niyo utasoma ibindi bice byose by'igitabo ukirebera gusa interuro yanditse ku gitabo hano ukajyana nayo yagufasha ubwayo.
Honestly, thank you so much.
Nagira ngo gushimire cyane mu by'ukuri.
And this man is going to be a great man in this country, not only Rwanda but entire world. He's going to be one of the African pillars that are going to develop our country than you can even imagine.
Kandi nababwiza ukuri ngo Dr. Musinga azaba umuntu ukomeye atari mu gihugu cy'u Rwanda gusa ahubwo mpuzamahanga.
Professor Bizoza talked about reading books and writing books.
Professor Bizoza yavuze ku kintu cyo kwandika ibitabo ndetse no kubisoma.
As my apostle Christoph asked, I also when I reached there asked how much this book, they told me 20,000.
Nkuko apostle yageze hari akabaza mu kitabo kiragura ngahe, nanjye nahageze ndabaza baranga mu kigura 20,000 by'amanyarwanda.
Nahise nyiga.
I really was scared.
Kugira ngo neza kwa nze kuba mu bantu ba mbere bakiguze.
If I was among the first people to buy it.
Ariko ndabasaba abanyarwanda.
But let me ask you, Rwandans.
Mureke tugire icyo dusubiza igihugu cyacu tugishimira ibyo yadukoreye.
Let's give back to our nation according to what it has done to us.
Urebye ahantu Musinga akomoka.
If you may see where he's coming from,
ukareba naho yicaye.
and you see where he's sitting right now,
binyibutsa ko umuririmbyi umwe yigeze kuvuga ngo hari umuntu waturutse Kabarondo arangiriza Washington aravuga ngo igorofani yabaye indege.
I remember one of the singers who sang a song and he was very poor, and he said he came from Kabarondo and now he's in the US, so he said a wheelbarrow has become a plane.
Hari title yanditse ngo keep focused. Keep focused. Hari ibintu distracting byinshi mu isi.
Hari umwe mu mutwe w'amagambo yanditse ngo komeza intumbero yawe kubera ko dufite byinshi bituma dutakaza iyo ntumbero.
Nagira ngo dukomeze intumbero yo kugura kino gitabo.
I would like us to focus on buying this book.
Kugira ngo nibura dushyigikire kuba waguze iki gitabo bwacyo ukagisoma ibyo wasomye ukabishyira mu bikorwa ndababwiza ukuri nta kintu utageraho.
You stay focused, buy this book and put in practice or in action what you're reading here, and this is going to make you achieve a lot in life.
Nk'uko inshuti yanjye Apostle Christopher yavuze iki gitabo gihenze kuruta 20,000.
As my friend just said, Apostle Christoph, that this book is much more expensive than 20,000
Ariko
crowns.
kubera ko ari give back to the community.
But now because we are giving back to the community,
Ntekereza ko ariyo mpamvu Dr. Musinga yakimanuye kugira ngo agerageze ko natwe kitugeza.
I think that's why he made much more cheaper for each and everybody to be affordable to anyone.
Kabisa ntihaze kugira umuntu usohoka atagifite ushobora kuba utayitwaje kubera ko isi ifite ukuntu iteye.
So don't go out with all this book. Maybe you didn't come with the money.
Ariko ugerageze bagufashe bakwereka inzira zatuma wenda wanayatwoherereza ariko nibura tugure kino gitabo kubw'inyungu zacu atari inyungu ze.
Maybe let's try, they will show you the means to pay that we may also buy for our own benefit, not for his benefit specifically.
Kugira ngo ntabatinze nanjye.
So not taking more time.
Hari ikintu bita personal interest na public interest.
There is something they call inyungu rusange n'inyungu bwite.
Hari intérêt public na intérêt personnel.
Inyungu bwite y'umuntu n'inyungu rusange.
Ni ukuvuga ngo Musinga ntabwo yarebye personal interest, yarebye public interest, niyo mpamvu yanditse kino gitabo.
Meaning Dr. Musinga did not focus on the personal interest, but then he focused on the public interests.
So I'm a principal of a school called Kigali Christian Academy.
Jewe ndi umuyobozi w'ikigo cyitwa Christian Academy.
This is what we believe.
Ibi nibyo twizera.
A person can teach what you know,
umuntu yakwigisha ibyo azi,
but you produce what you are.
ariko nanone wowe ubyara ibyo uri cyo.
You teach what you learn from colleges,
wigisha ibyo wakuye mu mashuri wize,
but you produce what you are.
ariko nyamara ibyo ukora n'ibyo usohora ni ibyo uri cyo nyacyo.
Thank you for having loved Rwanda. Thank you for having loved your president. Thank you for having RPF Inkotanyi. Thank you so very much, my brother.
Warakoze cyane gukunda igihugu cy'u Rwanda, warakoze cyane gukunda Paul Kagame, warakoze cyane gukunda FPR Inkotanyi.
So he's an apostle.
Rero ni intumwa,
I'm a bishop.
nanjye nkaba bishop.
So he gave $200.
Yatanze amadolari 200.
So I give 200,000
nanjye ndatanga 200,000
so that I buy this book.
kugira ngo nanjye nshobore kugura igitabo.
Ndakigura 200,000.
I'm buying it 200,000.
Apostle azamuye musari yishyuza amadolari 200.
So I bought it 200.
Ariko ndashaka kuzavugana nabo mbijyane ku rusengero iwacu nanone ngurishirizeyo.
But I want to talk to him because I want to take it to my church that I should buy it.
Abakristo bacu bashobore gusoma bino gitabo bidufasha kuko nasanze kino gitabo ni ubuzima bwa buri muntu. This is a true story. When you read it, you live it and you achieve it.
So that the believers there can also get to read it. Once you read it, you also achieve it.
Nukuvuga ngo iki gitabo ni story iriyo, ni story igenda, ntabwo ari inkuru, ntabwo ari theory, ni pratique. Ugisomye cyakugeza ku bintu byinshi.
Meaning this book is a real life story of a person, and once you read it, you can learn a lot from it.
so ndumva nasaba abashobora kuza tugafatanya natwe.
Let me request people to come and join us in supporting.
Hari 20 kuri buri muntu, ariko hari n'undi waza kutugiye ndakigura miliyoni 1, ndakigura 2, ndakigura 3. So ndagira ngo rero bashyigikire bashiki banje dushyigikira twishyigikire.
I'd like these to support us.
Aranyongoreye ngo nanjye mpamagara uwo nshoboye.
He just whispered me to call anybody that I can here.
Nanjye ndanezerewe kuba ndi hano.
I'm so pleased to be present here.
Ndishimye cyane ku bwawe Bishop Musinga.
And I'm so pleased for Dr. Musinga.
Bishop Musinga ni inshuti y'abantu bose.
Bishop Musinga, by the way, is a friend to each and everyone.
Mu by'ukuri mwese muri hano kuko mufite relationship cyangwa se mufite ukuntu mumukunda.
All of you are here because of the way you relate to him or the way you're friends.
Ndatekereza rero kuko bicaye hano.
Now since they are seated here,
uwamake aratanga 20.
at least the lesser person can give is 20,000.
Abandi baraza kumurengerezaho.
And others are going to buy it much more than
Hari
that.
abatinya gufata mikoro bataza kubivuga hano kuri mikoro.
There are people who cannot hold the mic to come and say it.
Ariko muze kureba protocole namwe mugire
But at
imbuto mubi.
least you can speak to the ushers and sow a seed.
Bishop urakoze kwandika.
Bishop, thank you for authoring this book.
Nacishijemo amaso.
I just went through a little bit.
Nkurikije ubuhamya twagiye tuganiraho, this is your life.
This is based on the testimony I shared with you, that this is your real life.
Wakoze kuduha amahame akugejeje aho uri uyu munsi.
Thank you for giving us the principle that has made you who you are and where you are right now.
Nari nakiguze 20,000.
I had bought it earlier 20,000,
Ariko nari mbizi ko ndi butangaze.
but I knew I would give much more.
Ninjiye
When I entered,
mbonye Apotre Christophe.
when I saw Apostle Christophe,
Iruhande rwe hari Gasana.
and beside him there was
Ndavuga ngo
Gasana,
aha ndahasiga amafaranga.
I said, I'm leaving money in this place, I know.
None nanjye ndongeraho 100,000.
I'm also adding on top of that
Kandi Imana
100,000.
ikomeze igushoboze
And may God continue to enable you,
wandike n'ibindi
that you
bitabo.
may author many more books. God bless you richly.
Hari cyanditse kivuga ngo icyo umuntu abiba nicyo.
There is a scripture that says, what you sow is what you reap.
Imigani 11:24 akavuga ngo hari umuntu utanga kwiragiza nyamara adashobora kunguka, ngo ariko hari umuntu w'Imana birenze urugero ngo bizamutera ubukene gusa.
Proverbs 11:24, you may read that scripture and also follow according to what it says.
Inshuti yanjye kagabo rero umwanya ni wawe bakomeye
My
kamwe.
friend, it's your time.
Uyu ni umugabo usobanutse. Baburu uyu mubona Imana yaramuzamuye ku rwego rushimishije, mumwifateho.
Murakoze cyane.
Thank you so much.
Nitwa Kagabo Jackson.
My name is Kagabo Jackson.
Ndabanza kubashimira cyane ko mu bantu bahawe invitation nanjye nayihawe.
I am thanking you for, I am among the invitees where
Kandi
you are.
naje numva byishimiye kuko nkunda Musinga ariko ntabwo anzi.
And I came here happy because I love Dr. Musinga. I love him though he doesn't know me.
Nagiye mukurikirana cyane ku mashusho media kugira naho namukurikiranaga ndi mu modoka ntwaye abana ku ishuri nababwira ngo mukurikirane uyu mu bishop afite ubwenge bwinshi.
I used to follow him on different social media platforms to the extent I was driving my children to school. I told him, follow this man, he has a lot of wisdom, you can learn from him.
So kubona invitation yo kuruncinga ibitabo byashimishije ndavuga ntaza.
So receiving his invitation to the launch of his book, I was so happy about it, that's why I'm here.
Nomera n'inshuti yanjye namubwira ngo w'umuhanga nawe w'umunyabwenge namubwira ngo uze kuza dukurikirane umugabo w'ubwenge twazanye atakuzi ariko nawe nsanga yari asanzwe akuzi.
And I also invited one of the wise friends I have, and I said, come, let us hear from this wise man. They came, they don't know you, but once they were here, they got to know they know you.
So ndashimira Bishop Gasana n'umuhiti n'umuvandimwe.
I thank Bishop Gasana, he's a friend, he's a brother.
Agize neza ko mpitamo kugira ngo nanjye ntere inkunga kandi nifuze kugura kino gitabo.
You did well to choose me among the many people that I should support and buy this book.
Yewe ntabwo nari nakiguze ninje ariko nari navuze ngo ndabigura nabonye n'ibindi apana kimwe gusa nari navuze ngo ndabigura ndagurira n'abandi bataje.
I said I would buy even the other books he has authored when I go back home and go with a number of them.
Ngira madamu ukunda gusoma akanabinkundisha kandi ngiye nkagura ibitabo byinshi sinsome cyane ariko we akabisoma. Mayamna ngo abireze gake ujye umbwira aho byagufashije nanjye ndebe ko nahasoma.
My wife loves to read so much, so whenever I buy books, she's the one to read and summarize exactly where I have to read.
So iki gitabo ndacyo kuri 200,000.
I am buying this book for 200,000 Rwanda francs.
wasaba ya nshuti yazanye Apostle Christophe akamuzana inshuti kuko uyu nguyu ndamuzi ntabwo apfa kujyana na buri muntu wowe yazanye ni ari he.
I know him, he doesn't have to walk
aze
with people.
kumuvugisha nawe hanyuma katwumva umunyamakuru.
murakoze cyane.
Thank you so much.
ndishimye kuba mpagaze hagati y'aba bagabo bombi.
I am pleased to be standing in the midst of these two great men.
ni ababyeyi.
They are parents to me.
Bishop James Gasana.
Bishop James Gasana.
ni umugabo tuzi kuva kera.
He is a man I've known for a long time.
ukunda Imana n'igihugu cye cy'u
He
Rwanda.
loves God and his nation as well.
ibyo rero kuba yampamagaye nabyo mbishimira Imana.
Since he called me from there to come, then I also thank God for
ubundi
that.
haragera umuntu yakuvugaho ubwabyo.
Normally there are places where you are and once they just mention your name
amaraka akayazamura.
and then you feel you're becoming great.
Apostle Sebagabo Christophe
And Apostle Sebagabo Christophe,
ni umugabo w'Imana tuzi.
he's a man of God that we know.
ukoreye Imana muri iki gihugu.
He serves the Lord in this country,
haba mu mvura
whether in the rain,
haba nijoro
in the night.
kandi wicisha bugufi.
Very humble,
ni umuntu udasanzwe kuri
a
twe.
very special man to us.
ndashima Imana rero ku bwa Bishop Dr. Musinga.
I thank God for Bishop Dr. Musinga.
hari umugabo umwe nakundaga ariko yaratashye mu minsi ishize.
There is a man I used to love. He was gone to live with the Lord.
yitwaga General Michel Gukunda Makanika.
He was called General Michel Makanika.
yaravuze ati umuntu yadakunze ubwoko bw'iwabo n'igihugu cyiwe.
He said, if a person doesn't love his people and also his country,
aho yajya hose ku isi
wherever they may be in this world,
nta mugisha yabona.
they can't find any blessing.
nyuma y'iminsi
amafaranga kuro
nyuma y'iminsi Bishop Musinga
After days, then Dr. Musinga,
avuga amagambo akomeye.
he spoke about these great words.
aravuga ati mu FPR
He said, I love FPR
na President Paul Kagame
and President Paul Kagame
na FCM Ventura
and also FCM
na twirwaneho.
and also Twirwaneho.
mpita numva Musinga aremewe.
And I felt he's an approved man.
rero kubw'iyo mpamvu ndabashimiye mwese.
For this reason, I give you thanks.
ariko kuko mpagaze hagati y'abagabo babiri,
But since I'm standing in between these two great
yewe
men,
nemera Apotre Christophe nk'umwana wa Apostle Dr. Gitwaza
I approve Dr. Christophe as a
ibihumbi
son.
50,000 niwo mwishingizi wanjye.
So I am buying 50,000. I'm buying 50,000.
arakoze atanzania
50,000.
urakabyara. reka nsabe uyu mwana Pastor Babula yajya kwicarira inshuti yanjye yicare nawe yicare noneho twumve Imana Apostle undebere umuntu uhamagara hariya aze nawe aduhe ku isero.